I'm going to show you how I process a resin print. First, I've got a little kit with gloves and these specific tools. Gloves on. I think this is a 3.5 gallon bucket. Remove the lid. One gentle turn. Careful because this can drip. Shaky, shaky. Goes in the bucket. Okay, so I've got my tub. I'm going to make some slightly warm water, add it to the tub, and wash off the piece. It's important to note that we're using water here because I'm using a water washable resin. All right, so now that we've got the majority of the resin off, we're going to chip it off the bed. We printed supports there, so it should come off relatively easy, let's hope. So it just left some of the raft, which is perfect. And now we're going to clean up the bed a bit more before we put it aside. Part of the bed cleaning is going to be to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. These blue shop towels come in very handy, and also they don't seem to have a lot of lint. And there you go. It's dry and it's ready to go back in the machine. Now let's focus on the print. I'm going to take off all the supports, being a little careful that a resin print can be a little soft. Now I'm going to try to remove this off the bottom without damaging the print. So in this case, I'm going to use a rubber scraper that came with the printer. Okay. Going to clean my tools with isopropyl alcohol and a blue shop towel. I'm going to, and this is, I feel like, a very important step. I am going to drench the piece in isopropyl alcohol and do this a few times where I wipe this down and really trying to get in the grooves and remove every bit of resin that could be left over, so it does not have some kind of haze on the final product. I want to do this step 2 or 3 times. Also, drench in water. And place the print in your light box and let it cook. And then after a few hours in the light box, turn this off, we have this nice and hardened print.